All right, so if you have one of these yard machines or any other MTD branded edger, and it doesn't matter if it's got a Tecumseh or a Briggs & Stratton on it, but it's got this blade, I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. These, generally speaking, are not that hard to do. Takes a 15/16 on both sides, just like that. You can see the bolt right there, the nut, and you're basically just gonna pull it off, just like that. You got a washer, and of course the blade itself. So you can see just how big of a size difference there is. This thing definitely needs to be changed. So we're just gonna stick this on, make sure I got the right one, and it looks like I did. Stick that washer back on, as well as the lock nut. And going back on, I'm sure there's a torque for this from the factory, but it is a lock nut. More. And I'm definitely happy with that. That's about how it was. So we'll start it up and see how it runs. Definitely happy with that. These blades are stupid cheap. Links in the description. Stay tuned for more videos.